Hello guys, welcome to another video. It's Kumo here, your mentor. So today we're going to be doing a weekly market analysis. I'm going to be looking at a few currency pairs for today that we are willing to take entries on for this week. So first of all, as you can see from my screen guys, I have opened the GBP CAD pair. So I'm going to be taking the buys from this pair guys. So I'm just going to go with you over how I came to this conclusion that I'm going to be taking the buys over on that order block right there guys. So first of all, let me just go to a clean chart. Let me just go over to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see guys, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we're in some serious bullish market structure guys. The price just keeps on breaking the highs, breaking the highs. So it's an indication for us that we're in a bullish market structure, and it would be wise for us to seek the buys. So first of all guys, what I saw here is that the price never essentially breaks the lows, like the major lows, like these type of lows right here, they never break those lows guys. So what I looked at is that, okay, from this point over here, price came down to come and mitigate a certain order block, right? So what did I see? I saw that price was coming down and down and down without giving us confirmation when it's ready to reverse until this point over here. So it came here and then bounced off this order block right here. Let me just mark it out. It's like an extreme order block over on that zone here, right? It mitigated those zones. It took out all of these lows over here. We could call this also a level of liquidity. These 2 points, they could make a level of liquidity too, right? Just do this. Sorry for that. We could also call this a level of liquidity. This level right here, right? So we can see that liquidity got swept over here, and then price mitigated this order block, right? After that, what did it do? We can see that price gave us a market shift. Usually when price gives us a market shift, it's an indication that price is ready to switch the direction. So it's ready to go from a bearish market structure to a bullish market structure, right? So it gave us that market shift over there. Now after the market shift, essentially what we do is that we look for a certain order block where we're going to place our buys to go where? To go to the high, right? This high that I have outlined right here. This high over here. So we're going to be looking, this is essentially our target. We're going to be looking to take the buys over to this zone over here. So essentially what I do is that, first of all, I'm going to open my Fibonacci retracement tool, and I'm going to look, okay, where is my discounted zone, right? We know that the discounted zone is between 0.799 and 0.705. Those are the main points, right? So what I saw essentially from trading this pair over the weeks is that it likes to go over to the extreme order block. So essentially for us, what we can do is that we can take our buys over on this area here. It's laggy. Over on this area right here, we're going to take our buys, right? And take buys over there, over on this order block, right? So essentially what we're doing now is waiting for price to fill in this gap right here. You can see that this is inefficiency. So we're waiting for price to fill in that gap and then go all the way down there. Let me just indicate for you. Where's my path? There's my path. To go down here to this order block to fill in that gap and then go up with the market to our zone over here, to our high. So price might break that high over there based on our analysis and based on the previous moves from the past, right guys? So this is our first analysis. We're looking to take the buys over on this zone, over on that discounted demand right there. That is where I'm looking to take my buys. So I'm gonna set up a buy limit a buy limit over there. Here's my stop loss. My stop loss is over there on the 1.71936. That is my stop loss. And then my target essentially is going to be over on that high right there, guys. So that is the trade. That is the first analysis for us, guys. This is a sweet analysis. The risk to reward is 1:4. It's not too bad. Usually we don't go for that, but in order to take risk measures, we're just gonna do the 1:4, guys. So if you want, you can also put your buy limits, guys, and just watch as how the market plays out. Hopefully it goes our direction, guys. So this is the first analysis. So let's jump into the next one. I hope you saw. Let me just go to that one. This is essentially the one I sent in the group. It's the same as the one I just did right now. So we're looking to take the buys over on this area here. The stop loss is here, and then the target is right here, guys. So hopefully you got that, guys. Secondly, I'm gonna go to the second pair. Now it's the UUSD, guys. The UUSD. So essentially what we've been seeing from this pair right here is that we've been having some bullish momentum. Right here. So we're gonna seek the buys, guys. We can see that price, we're looking to take entries until this high over here, guys. We're looking to break that high over there, guys. So first of all, what I saw is that I'm not going to go to a clean chart because it's not very complicated. First of all, I saw this point of interest right here, guys. A point of interest is where I'm interested in taking buys at. It's a point of interest. It explains itself, guys. So what are the confluences? First of all, I have imbalance right here. We have inefficient price action right here. So we're looking for price to come and fill in this inefficiency and then mitigate our order block, and then we go up with it, guys. So essentially, what did I see? Let me just go over to the 1 hour chart. I saw that price was creating something like a fake out or a fake move, like it's going up over from this point over here. So someone would have marked out this order block and said, okay, price is gonna move from this point here and then go up. But I saw that this is a sell side liquidity. It's just a bait. So price is gonna take out this low right here to come and fill in this imbalance and then mitigate that order block, guys. So essentially, we're not gonna take our trade yet over on that order block. What are we gonna do? We're gonna wait to see how price reacts inside our order block, guys. So as price approaches the order block and mitigates the order block, we're gonna check how are the candles moving, the candle behavior inside our order block. If we have a nice confirmation for our candle behavior, then we take the buys over here, guys. So essentially it's gonna go this way. So I'm gonna see that, okay, price is moving perfectly inside my order block, so I'm gonna take a long position over there and then set my stop loss here and then take it to that high over here. Right, guys, that's what essentially I'm planning to do, guys. So this is a nice point of interest. This is a nice point where I'll be taking my buys, where I'll be looking to take my buys. But in my suggestion, I would suggest for you to just wait for me to confirm with you. If you're in the groups, in the Telegram group or in the WhatsApp group, I'll just confirm to you when I take this trade, right? If I get the proper confirmation that, okay, it's time to buy over on that point over there, guys, because there might be some things that change the direction of the market and then you just see it go down and take us out, guys. So yeah, guys, I would suggest, if you're not gonna wait for my call, just use proper risk management and then yeah, just let the market play out, guys. So this is a nice entry that we'll be willing to take over here if price gives us the right confirmation, right, guys? So now we're going over to the last one. The last one is the GBP odd. The GBP odd, I'm also not gonna go to a clean chart because you can see what's going on here. It's also giving us bullish momentum, guys, right? So we just see that price is going up and up and up, right? Up and up and up. We can see how price mitigated this order block, gave us the confirmations here, I sent out a signal here to the premium members to buy. So the other members already are still inside, like buys. We're still inside entries, right? So now I'm going to be looking for another entry to add more entries to our previous entries, right? So essentially what I'm going to do is that, first of all, what we can see here, we can see a base, right? We can see a base, something like a consolidation. Price is not really going up or down. It's just a mere base, right, guys? So if you really follow my Instagram, I posted this analysis before. Let me just show you an example of what I was talking about. It's the simple price cycle. It's consolidation, expansion, and then the retracement to the order block, and then the reversal to go up, right? So what's going on here? We can see we had that consolidation, and then we had what? We had the expansion, right, guys? We have this expansion right here. That expansion, and then we have that retracement. You can see prices going down. So we're looking to take our buys over on this order block right here. Why did I choose that order block? Let me just go over to the 15-minute chart. If you can see well on the 15-minute chart, we have a huge pile of inefficiency right here. We have a huge pile of inefficiency. Therefore, we're going to be willing to take our buys below the inefficiency, right, guys? That's the simple law of inefficiency, unless you're trading ICT, but that's a whole nother conversation. So this, as you can see, guys, if you see this well, I can mark also this thing as a accumulation, right? Accumulation, and then price is gonna go down as our expansion, right? As our manipulation, excuse me, as my manipulation. So it's gonna accumulate first, and then manipulate to the downside, and then what do we call the upper move? We call it the distribution. I've also made this example too in my Instagram. In the Instagram, let me just go to it so we can go through it quickly, so I don't waste time. It's simply this cycle: accumulation, manipulation to the order block, and then the distribution up again to the manipulation, guys. So it's a simple order block. It's either the price cycle or the accumulation, manipulation, distribution cycle, guys. So we're willing to take the buys over on that zone right there on the order block I've outlined. So let me just show you how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take a long position right here. Remember, guys, use proper risk management, and then we're gonna take it over to that high over there. I'm gonna take it over to that high. So that's the trade for us. That's the analysis for us for the GBP odd, guys. Right? Let me just do this. So that's the discounted demand over there. We're gonna take our buys over on this zone, and then we're gonna go up with the market, guys. So guys, yeah, guys, this is the rest of the video. I don't want to make it long. I don't want to include more pairs. This is the pairs that I am very sure of that I can share with you. But make sure, guys, you're in the group so you can receive like the confirmations that, okay, we are taking this trade, I'm taking this and this trade, guys, just so you make sure, guys. So this is the rest of the video, guys. Huge announcement. We just announced our new price list, guys. I think you saw that in the Instagram. So you can see, guys, our master classes, we've dropped the prices a little bit. The beginner masterclass, it's 600, it's 599, 599.99. So you can see that Forex beginner masterclass, introduction to Forex exchange, PDF notes on every module, ongoing support. We support you throughout the whole process. Personalized mentorship program. We mentor you on your journey on how you would like to learn. Intermediate, SMC, and price action strategies, guys. So intermediate it's not really advanced, but it's intermediate, so it would be good for beginner to learn those strategies, not those advanced strategies. But if you have background of Forex, guys, we also have the Forex Advanced Masterclass, guys. So it's advanced Forex trading class, SMC trading, PDF on every module, personalized mentorship program, advanced SMC and price action strategies, guys. So this is for people who have a background of Forex, who know something about Forex, but they don't see where their Forex journey is going. So we help them, guys. So like, okay, this is how you do it, this is how you execute your trade, this is how you must do it. No, you don't do it like this and like this, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope you're interested in that masterclass. So just hit me up. The signals too. The 1 month premium is $199, and then the 3 months premium is $499. The 6 month premium it's $849, guys. So you can see, guys, from 1 month to a 3 month program, you can save up to $100 if you just like subscribe for the 3 month one, guys. So there's a lot of sales going on, guys. So just hit me up. Or if you're not interested, just join, I guess, the free community groups, guys, so we can work together, guys. But thank you so much for watching, guys. That's the end of the video. I'll see you on the next one.